Popo and Jollibee. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, at this time, go to witness the first blowing candle of JR. Ayan, Mami. Dito tayo sa harapan. Okay, at this time, we have to witness the first blowing candle of JR. Okay, so gusto ko magpa-picture later na lang po. We have our time for our picture taking with our special guests. Okay, naaga po ang lahat na magsitayo muna for our first blowing candle of JR. Okay, at this time, pakanta po natin ang birthday song, si JR. So, gusto po lahat tayo makanta at the same time, kailangan po pumapalakpak po at mga kamay habang kumakanta tayo ng birthday song. Okay, ready? Okay, everybody clap your hands! And sing! Sing to you! Louder! Sing to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! One more! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! That one. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, everybody, let's all shout happy birthday, JR!
Happy birthday, JR!
Okay, JR, please blow your candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow! Okay, hindi po makakompleto ang birthday ni JR without birthday wish from Mami. Okay, so Mami, ano po yung birthday wish for JR?
Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na yan!
Kaya palaban pa natin si Mami. Okay, thank you so much, Mami. Of course, our special guest man din sila birthday wish for JR. Okay, so ilan ang aming birthday wish? Sino mauna? Sino? Si? 30. Okay, 30. Ilan ang birthday wish mo for JR? 1. Okay, ano ang wish mo? Si JR ay lumaki. Madasal na may takot sa Diyos. Ay, palamang mo lang si Twirly. And of course, si Popo. Okay, Popo, ilan ang wish mo for JR? 1. Okay, for our wish. Okay. Si JR ay lumaki. Good health and strong. Kaya palaman mo lang si Popo. And of course, si Jollibee. Jollibee, how many wishes do you have? 1, 2. Okay, for our first wish, JR ay lumaking macho. Okay, and... Okay. Tulad ni ate. Ayan. And for our second wish, Jollibee, si JR ay lumaking always be happy life. Jollibee, Bernie, and Popo, of course. Palaban po natin si Jollibee. Ayan, thank you. Okay, at this time, magbubukas po tayo ng isang gift para sa ating
Happy birthday, JR. Happy birthday, JR. Happy birthday.
Okay, for our first gift, JR, hope this birthday is the best ever. Hug and kisses to you. Happy first birthday from Pichardo family. Pichardo. Okay. So, Jollibee, can you help me to open this gift? Ayan na kaya nilalaman natin first gift. Ayan, for our second gift. Okay, JR, happy first birthday. God bless you from Ninang Ivy, Tito Jerry, and Ina. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Jollibee. Okay, buksan mo na Jollibee. Ayan, okay. Thank you so much po sa lahat na nagdala or nagbigay ng gift para po sa ating birthday celebrant. At siya yung nabuksan, thank you so much din. At sa mga nakalimutan or nakaligtaan sa bahay, meron kayong 1-week extension para magbigay ng gift. Ako. Ayan, from Rustan family. Ayan, okay. Ayan, okay. Thank you so much. Okay, spoon and fork. Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan, so mga gusto mo pa picture kay Dwarly, Popo, and Jollibee, please take your time.